Teacher Anne. Welcome to my story time. Boys and girls, do you like birds? I like birds very much. Today our story is birds. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What can you see? I can see a bird. What color are the birds? Very good. The birds are pink. This bird is flamingos. The pink flamingos. Today our story is birds. This bird is flying. Boys and girls, what bird is it? That's right. It's an eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. This bird is swimming. Friends, what bird is it? Yes, that's right. It's a penguin. P-E-I-G-L-E. Penguin. This bird is drinking. Boys and girls, what bird is it? Yes, that's right. This is a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. This bird is eating. Boys and girls, what is the bird eating? That's right. The bird is eating a fish. This bird is walking. Boys and girls, can the bird walking fast or slow? I think the bird is walking fast, but I don't know. This bird is running. Boys and girls, can the bird running fast? Yes, the bird is running fast. This bird is sleeping. Boys and girls, what animal is it? Very good. It's the owl. O-W-L. Owl. This bird is talking. Boys and girls, what is a bird? That's right. It's a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrots. I like parrots. Hello. And I like all of you, boys and girls. I'm Teacher Anne. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.